Bajaj Allianz General Insurance presents Motor on the Spot, a unique initiative that will transform the motor claims experience for our private car customers, especially for the smaller claims that fall within the 30,000 rupee threshold. This facility can be availed through the company's self-service app. Customers can register claims against their four-wheeler policies by clicking on the Register a Claim tab. The claim registration process is quick and easy, where the insured has to enter the details of the accident and the vehicle involved, such as its registration number, the insured's registered mobile number, date of birth, etc. Once all the necessary information has been filled in, the customer needs to click on the Register tab to proceed with the claim process. Once registered, a claim number is generated which is displayed on the app screen and is also notified via an SMS on the registered mobile number. Click on Next tab. The insured has to fill an e-claim form, and after uploading images, click on the Submit tab. The customer receives an OTP through an SMS on the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP received to verify the submission of the claim form. Following this verification, upload pictures of the damaged vehicle as per the reference images shared on the app. After uploading the vehicle images, the customer needs to click on Next tab to proceed further. Post this, the customer is asked to upload the photographs of documents necessary for claim assessment, such as license registration certificate. As soon as this is done, insured will receive the estimated claim amount via an SMS on their registered mobile number along with a link. This link will redirect the insured to a Bajaj Allianz GIC webpage where the insured can choose to agree or disagree with the offered compensation amount. If the insured agrees with the offered claim amount, then he can click on the Agree tab and the amount will be processed to his account within 20 minutes. In case the customer wants further clarification or does not agree to the proposed claim settlement amount, he can click on the Disagree tab and he will immediately receive a call from the claims assessor who will take this further and address the additional queries.